We are now able to do north-seeking out of MEMS-based gyro sensors, and this is quite groundbreaking.
There are a lot of different applications where this sort of IMU, ARs or INS system will be really useful.
My name is Celia Cano. I'm here with Marine Technology TV at Oceanology International in London, and I'm here today with Kongsberg Discovery to talk about inertial sensing technology. Thanks for being here. Can you guys each introduce yourself and what you do?
Yes. My name is Dalsnes Storsæter. I'm the Vice President of Inertial Solutions at Kongsberg Discovery CTEX.
I'm Aleksander Hammernes. I'm Product Manager for the inertial products from Kongsberg Discovery CTEX.
Awesome. So I want to talk about what you have here on display today.
We have our brand new technology on showcase today, along with a reference from our portfolio. So our reference is our MGC product, which is an ARS or an INS solution with our kind of high-end technology. And then our new technology is showcasing MEMS-based IMUs or ARs or INSs with north-seeking capabilities.
Can you talk a little bit about what makes this technology new, different, better than before?
Yeah. Traditionally, when we are talking about IMUs, ARs that are north-seeking, have north-seeking capabilities, you're often referred to ring laser-based solutions, fiber optic-based solutions. We are now able to do north-seeking out of MEMS-based gyro sensors, and this is quite groundbreaking, and we get really good performance, tested both in-house and on real-world applications, and that's what we're bringing and showing here today. That's why we have a reference unit with us, and we have the actual units delivering the data that we can show live and compare. Another unique feature is, of course, that this technology, once we are up and running with our new sensor that we're working on, new Project 6, we will then provide that technology in this small form factor. So really focusing on getting this high performance into that other type of application that requires it with the swap in mind.
Awesome. So looking at the applications for the technology, what are the variety of applications and how can you tailor the technology to different customer needs?
Yeah, that's the really benefit of this sort of solution is that it's really small. And we're showcasing the same technology in this red unit as we do, or as we will do in a small unit. And due to this small size, we will be able to put it in basically anything. So we're thinking all sorts of drone markets, aerial, on water, underwater, on land, of course. Also ocean stabilizing. There are a lot of different applications where this sort of IMU, ARs or INS system will be really useful.
Yeah, so with the current solution, there is a lot of application we are supplying to today, and that can be expanded with the new feature that we are able to do north-seeking. With the focus on doing the new smaller size and a swap, a lot of new application opens for us, and we see, of course, with the political stage these days that there's a requirement to enable more high performance, small size, and that is something that we of course will have a big focus on.
Yeah. So the Project 6 demonstration that we have running today is based on a cooperation we have with Silicon Sensei. They provide us with gyros, and then we make the products around them. And we have new gyros coming from them, and that's together with our state-of-the-art electronics. We have this new MEMS-based north-seeking ability. And what is really unique about it as well is that as we make everything ourselves, we make all the electronics, all the algorithms, all the mechanics, everything, we are able to tailor this to whatever need the customer has. So we can trade off dynamics or bandwidth with noise to create kind of perfect product for our customer's application.
Yeah, so essentially we will be able to make one version of the solution that is suitable for one application, and then we can adapt it so it directly fits into the needs of another application. We are controlling the entire manufacturing chain and development of this ourselves. So any integrator or customer that approaches us can be able to agree with us on some specific specifications that they need for their application, and then still maintaining the highest possible accuracies and performance that is possible.
Yeah, and this also goes on to kind of packaging, ruggedizing, everything else you might need. Yeah.
Fantastic. So last question, since this technology is in the testing phase still, what can we expect in terms of next steps when we look for prototypes or launches, things like that?
Yeah. Today we can provide test samples, engineering samples for integrators. And then the plan is to launch the first version of this in Q1 2027, to 1 year.